Hi folks, Lee here and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to try and not crash Jayden's drone. This is the first time I'm going to be flying a drone like this. I've flown a couple of them in the past, but it's been like the really cheap, really kind of crappy ones. Anyone who's followed the channel, you've seen the little 10 quid home bargains helicopter that I flew ages ago. But this is quite a bit different. This is a bit more high end, so we're gonna go for taking off just now.
Let's push the slide.
Slide to take off. Okay, so as you can see, that takes us off automatically, and you can already see it's a lot more stable than, you know, say a cheaper quadcopter or that. So we're going to turn a little bit just now. I know Jayden doesn't want to be in the video, so well, you're in the video now. So let's go forward a little bit. Are we still in beginner mode? I think you mentioned we're out of that now.
We might be out of beginner mode now.
Yeah. So just taking it easy to begin with. I don't want to push it too hard, although this actually is really easy. I'm actually really impressed with how stable this thing is compared to anything else I've flown in the past. This is actually really good, by the way. So we can do a little bit of forward flying. Can try go to the side. This is amazing. Like, with the other things that I've flown, I've always felt like lose control of it very easily. This is completely rock solid. Like I'm in non-sport mode, so it does slow it down a little bit, but I mean that's great to begin with. As you can see, we're in a large open field just now, just so that I don't hit anyone. But this is really good. So yeah, we'll try and land back where we started, which could be a challenge, but we've got the first person view in this one, which I've not had in any other drones that I've flown in the past, so that should help us quite a bit.
Rotate the camera down.
That's amazing. That's really cool. Yeah. How much are these?
Roughly, they're now about £250 roughly for this particular model.
Right. Okay.
But you can get them in deals and whatnot, so it's
Right. Well, Christmas isn't far away.
Christmas might come early.
That's really good. Like, I'm really impressed with just like how much more controllable it is than like a cheap one.
Yeah.
You know, like at no point in that did I feel like it was
gonna,
running away from me, whereas the cheap ones you start them up and it's like straight away, it's just, you know, you've got no control whatsoever. No, that was amazing, thank you.
Aye, no bother.
So how am I turning this thing off? Or you want to do a bit more flying? Or?
Do you want to do a bit of sport flying, show you? Should we do that?
Yeah, let's
Right.
go for it. So this is sports mode. So this is probably going to ramp it up a little bit. We've got Jayden flying now, obviously.
That's us. Demonstration of what sports mode can actually do.
Oh, that's cool.
So I'll add this one here.
There we go.
Smash.
Amazing, thank you.
No bother.
So yeah, that's a good drone. So thank you, Jayden. That was really cool. I'm really going to need to think about getting one of those because I'm really impressed with it. So yeah, thank you, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you liked it, leave a like. If you hated it, leave a dislike. Leave any thoughts in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more content like this on the channel, then please do subscribe. Bye folks.